Rejection? Nah, it's just a psychological trigger, one that messes with human desire in ways most people don't realize. See, the mind isn't drawn to what's easy to get. It's obsessed with what feels just out of reach. The more something pulls away, the more we fixate on it. Carl Jung got this. The Stoics mastered it. Real power isn't in chasing, it's in stepping back. The second you stop looking for validation, everything flips. You go from the one seeking to the one being sought. Because here's the truth. People don't crave what's always there. They crave what they might lose. Because most people respond to rejection the wrong way. They beg, they explain, they try harder, they chase, and that's exactly why they keep getting rejected. Because the more you chase, the more you reinforce the idea that you need them more than they need you. And the moment that imbalance is created, desire dies. See, human nature is wired in a strange way. People don't value what's freely available. They crave what feels just out of reach. Carl Jung understood this well. He believed that what we suppress, what we ignore, what we push away, often has the strongest hold over us. So here's the paradox. The more you need someone's approval, the more they withhold it. The more you demand their attention, the more they pull away. This isn't some new idea. It's been understood for centuries. The ancient Stoics believed that detachment is the key to power. Sun Tzu, the master of psychological warfare, wrote in The Art of War, "Appear weak when you are strong, and strong when you are weak." In simpler terms, need nothing, and the world offers you everything. Let me show you how this plays out in real life. Ever heard of the story of Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison? Tesla worked under Edison, admired him, and wanted his recognition. Edison? He saw Tesla's brilliance but never fully acknowledged it. He even tricked Tesla into working for free, promising a large reward he never intended to give. Tesla begged, pleaded, and waited for validation that never came, until one day he walked away. And the moment he did, history changed. Tesla built his own empire. He became a legend. And Edison, he spent his later years trying to erase Tesla's name from history. Rejection wasn't the end for Tesla. It was the moment he stopped chasing and started choosing. And that's the secret right there. When you stop begging for approval, you shift the power dynamic. You're no longer saying, "Please pick me." You're saying, "I'm already chosen." Think about the last time someone ignored you. The last time someone didn't text back. It bothered you, didn't it? That's because silence is powerful. It forces the mind to fill in the blanks. When you beg or explain yourself, you kill the mystery. But when you stay silent, the other person is left wondering, why aren't they trying? Why aren't they chasing me? Did I make a mistake? And suddenly, you're the one in control. That's inverse psychology in its rawest form. The less you seek validation, the more others want to give it to you. But there's a deeper reason why rejection hurts. Carl Jung called it the shadow self, the parts of ourselves we don't want to acknowledge. When someone rejects you, they aren't just saying no to you. They're rejecting something that you might already fear about yourself. Maybe deep down, you already believe you're not good enough. Maybe their rejection just confirmed a belief you've been carrying for years. That's why rejection feels so personal. It's never just about them. It's about you versus you. But here's the key. Instead of fighting rejection, study it. Ask yourself, what part of me is afraid of being rejected? What insecurity is being exposed right now? Am I chasing them? Or am I running from myself? Because the truth is, the only person who can truly reject you is you. Here's something strange. The moment you truly accept yourself, flaws and all, external rejection loses its power. Why? Because rejection only hurts when it lands on an open wound. But if you've done the inner work, if you own your flaws, then rejection doesn't shake you. And that is the most attractive thing in the world. Look at history. The people who were truly desired weren't the ones begging for attention. They were the ones who didn't care for it at all. James Dean, mystery. Bruce Lee, confidence. Marlon Brando, unapologetic. They weren't playing the game. They were the game. And that's the shift you've got to make. So how do you turn rejection into power? First, don't react emotionally. The more you show that rejection gets to you, the weaker you seem. Stay calm, stay quiet. Let them wonder what's going on in your head. Second, detach from outcomes. If you can walk away from anything, nothing can control you. It's that simple. Third, own your flaws. The moment you fully accept yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, everything, rejection loses its grip. It's like, oh, you don't like me? Cool, I still like me. Fourth, use silence as your weapon. Don't explain, don't justify. Just let your absence do all the talking. Trust me, silence is loud. And finally, let them feel the loss. Don't waste your time proving your worth. Just walk away and let them experience what life is like without you in it. Because here's the truth. When you stop chasing, you become the prize. The moment you stop needing validation, you become magnetic. And the moment you accept rejection as just another part of life, that's when rejection stops being rejection and starts becoming redirection. So next time you face rejection, don't beg, don't explain, don't chase, just smile, walk away, and watch as they start wondering why they ever let you go.